Hi, how was your hair loss journey?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. Since from how many years you are facing it?
5, 6 year. Yeah.
Okay. How you know this clinic?
I saw it in advertisement in Insta and Facebook like that.
Okay. How was the consultation with the doctor?
It's very good.
It's
So
very
they're
good.
very supportive. Yeah.
Okay. How was the HT done?
Yeah. No, the procedure is good only. So little painful. Now it's very fine.
Okay. After procedure, how are the doctors are doing?
Yeah, they
Is
will.
that helpful or else like they were?
Yeah, it's very helpful. They are answering for all my questions.
Mm.
So it's good.
ಓಕೆ ಹೇರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋರು ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗು ನೀವು ಏನು ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? HT ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ದಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
HT ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಪೇನ್ಫುಲ್ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಇದು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.